In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over image in Card. We'll start right inside the card builder so you can follow along smoothly. First, open Card and load the page you want to edit. Once your page is open in the builder, look for the Add icon. It's the plus sign that lets you insert new elements into your layout. Click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Gallery. A gallery block is perfect here because it supports captions that sit on top of your images, which is exactly how we'll add text over your photo. You'll see a new gallery element appear labeled Untitled. Click that Untitled block to open its settings panel so we can add our image. In the panel, click Upload, then select the image from your computer and click Open. Card will take you to the crop view. Use the crop handles to frame your subject and, importantly, leave space where your text will remain readable. If your image has busy details, try to position the crop so there's a calmer area behind your caption for better contrast. When you're happy with the framing, click Accept to apply the crop. Back in the settings, find the caption field and type the text you want to appear over the image. Keep captions concise and clear. Short phrases or a single sentence tend to look best. If your design applies the caption as an overlay, a few words with strong contrast will be easier to read. You can also use line breaks sparingly to control how the text wraps. Once your caption is set, click Done to save the changes to the gallery element. You'll see your image with the caption applied on top, depending on your theme and style settings. Take a quick look in the Builder preview to make sure everything is legible and the composition feels balanced. That's all it takes to place clean, readable text over an image in Card using the gallery block and its caption.